Hello guys, today I am going to share a simple press-on nail hack. So if you're a content creator who uses press-on nails frequently, please watch this video till the end. I always use glue tabs. It is easy to fix, but I need 10 glue tabs to shoot one video. First, check the nail size and take the nails that you want. Then prep your nails as usual. Prepping your nails is very important, so you can easily fix your press-ons on the nails. So normally we will take the glue tabs and match it with our nails and we'll stick it. But here I do this trick. I will cut the glue tab and only stick half on my nails. Gently press on the nails so it will get fixed firmly. That's it guys. I fixed all my nails with just half glue tabs and it is very beautiful. I'm using this hack because I'm using nails only while shooting the content. Try this and comment below if it's useful. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe.